Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Product Review. Today we have something that looks like a regular wafer, but the front of this packet immediately make three promises. It say 10 gram of protein, 0% maida, and it is a strawberry pop with no added sugar. This is Yoga Bar Protein Wafer in the strawberry pop flavor. I have the 40-gram pack with me and the MRP of this packet is rupees 60. I have also kept the Amazon link for this product in the description. So if you want to check the current price or availability, you can check the link. Now before we decide whether this is actually a good protein snack, let's open the packet and see what we really get. The packaging is quite attractive. And the strawberry pop flavor is clearly mentioned on the front. It also carries the green vegetarian symbol. The biggest claim is 10 gram protein, so that's definitely the first thing that catches your attention. Now let's open it. So friends, we are going to open it. Inside we get a single wafer portion because the entire 40-gram pack is one serving. The wafer has that familiar layer crunchy appearance with the strawberry flavor coming through. It is convenient because there is no measuring, mixing or preparation. You can simply open it and eat it. And this is where I think the product is interesting. If you are looking for something portable for your office bag, travel, college or even you want simply for your quick snack, a simple and a single 40-gram pack is easy to carry. But now let's talk about the ingredient because protein wafer, zero maida and no added sugar can sound very impressive until we look at the actual formulation. The protein blend contains fermented yeast protein and milk solid. The sweetener used is maltitol. The multigrain blend contains whole wheat flour which is atta and jawar. Then we have edible coconut oil, edible hydrogenated coconut fat, natural identical flavor and flavoring substances, soy lecithin, maize starch, edible common salt, and improver enzymes. So yes, the product uses whole wheat flour and jawar rather than maida, and there's zero added sugar according to the label. But it is still a processed wafer, and the ingredient list include coconut oil and hydrogenated coconut fat. That is why I will not look at the front of the pack claims alone. The nutrition panel gives us a much clearer picture. Now let's check the numbers. For the complete 40-gram serving, the energy is 187 kilocalorie. Protein is exactly 10 gram. Total fat that is 9.3 gram. Saturated fat is less than 7.3 gram. Trans fat is 0. Cholesterol is 0 milligram. Total carbohydrate is 20 gram. Total sugar is 3.5 gram. While added sugar is 0. Dietary fiber is 3 gram and polyol are 10 gram, salt is 0.4 gram and sodium is 177 milligram. So the 10 gram protein claim is real according to the nutrition panel and that gives this small pack a meaningful protein contribution. The label said that the 10 gram of protein provide 19% of the RDA per serving. But there's an important point here. This is not a low calorie snack. You are getting 187 calorie in 40 gram along with 9.3 grams of fat. And there's another thing I definitely want to mention before we taste it. The pack carries a warning that the polyol may have a laxative effect. Since this product contains 10 gram of polyol, some people may experience digestive discomfort if they consume too much. So don't assume that because it says no added sugar, you can eat several packs without thinking about it. Also, the labels say it contains naturally occurring sugar. Now let's get to the part everyone actually wants to know. How does the strawberry pop wafer taste? So friends, I'm going to taste it. The first thing I noticed when I bite into this wafer crunch, it has a light crispy texture you expect from a wafer, while the strawberry flavor gives it a sweet dessert-like character. The most important thing is that it doesn't taste like a plain protein bar. It is much closer to a sweet wafer snack, which could make it easier for someone who doesn't enjoy the typical taste of protein product. But taste is subjective. So, or less sweet snack, this you prefer very mild or less sweet snack, this may feel quite sweet because maltitol is being used as a sweetener. Now let's quickly put the complete nutrition together in one place so you know exactly what you are eating. 140-gram serving contains 187 calories, 10 gram protein, 9.3 gram total fat, less than 7.3 gram saturated fat, 0 trans fat, 0 cholesterol, 20 gram carbohydrate, 3.5 gram total sugar, 0 added sugar, 3 gram dietary fiber, 10 gram polyol, 0.4 gram total salt and 177 milligram of sodium. The label also gives the approx percentage RDA per serving, energy 9%, protein 19%, total fat 15%, saturated fat 33%, trans fat 0%, added sugar 0%, and sodium 9% based on a 2000 calorie diet. And let's talk about the pros. First, 10 gram of protein in a 40-gram pack is a strong positive for a snack. Second, there is no added sugar. Third, the product is made without maida and the multigrain blend includes atta and jawar. Fourth, it is a vegetarian and come as a ready-to-eat single serving, so it is convenient. Fifth, it gives you a 3 gram of dietary fiber per snack. And finally, if you like wafers and want a more protein-focused alternative to an ordinary sweet wafer, this is an interesting option. But there are also some cons. The first is the fat content. At 9.3 gram per 40-gram serving, it is not a low fat snack and the saturated fat is listed as less than 7.3 grams. Second, 187 calorie for a 40-gram pack is something to consider if you are closely managing your calorie intake. Third, the product contains 10 gram of polyol and specific one that they may have a laxative effect. This could be an issue for sensitive stomach. Fourth, it contains milk, soy, and gluten-containing cereal, and the label says it is a process in a plant where tree nuts are processed. So people with relevant allergy need to check the label carefully. And one more point, no added sugar does not mean sugar-free. The pack contains 3.5 gram of total sugar and the label say some sugar occur naturally. So who is this actually for? I would say it as a convenient protein-containing snack rather than a replacement for a balanced meal. If you want something sweet, crunchy, and portable, and you like strawberry flavor, the combination is appealing. But if your main goal is maximum protein with minimum calorie and fat, you should compare the nutrition with other protein snacks before buying. The MRP printed on my pack is Rs 60 for 40 gram, which work out to Rs 1.50 per gram. Prices can vary online. So I have kept the Amazon link in the description for anyone who wants to check the latest price and availability. One final reminder, the label says taste is best when chilled. So that is another way you can try it, especially if you enjoy a cooler dessert snack. Overall, I think Yoga Bar Protein Wafer Strawberry Pop is an interesting combination of a familiar wafer experience with 10 gram of protein, 0 added sugar, and no maida. The biggest positive are convenience, protein, taste, and the use of atta and jawar. The biggest thing to watch are the fat, saturated fat, calorie, and the 10 gram of polyol. If you have tried this wafer, tell me in the comments, will you choose a protein wafer over a regular chocolate or strawberry wafer? And if this review helped you, please like the video, share it with someone who's looking for protein snack option and subscribe for more honest product review. And don't forget to check the Amazon link in the description if you want to see the product and the current availability. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next review. Bye friends.